Automation Anywhere Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Automation Anywhere are in the description below. In this video, we're reviewing Automation Anywhere, a leading robotic process automation RPA platform designed to streamline business processes through AI-driven automation. It's built for enterprises and mid-sized businesses looking to eliminate repetitive tasks, enhance productivity, and scale automation across departments. One of its core strengths is its cloud-native AI-powered automation that allows businesses to automate both simple and complex workflows without heavy infrastructure investments. With its intuitive low-code drag-and-drop interface, users can create bots that handle tasks like data entry, invoice processing, customer service, and compliance monitoring. The Bot Lifecycle Management feature ensures that automations remain optimized and error-free. The platform is highly scalable, allowing businesses to start with a few bots and expand as needed. Its IQ-Bot feature brings AI and machine learning into automation, enabling bots to process unstructured data, understand documents, and make intelligent decisions. This makes it an excellent choice for industries that rely on high-volume document processing, such as finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. Another key advantage is Automation Anywhere's integration capabilities. It seamlessly connects with ERP systems, CRM platforms like Salesforce, and collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams and Slack. Businesses can also leverage API-based automation to link multiple systems without manual intervention. The Bot Store offers pre-built bots for common business functions, reducing deployment time. For security-conscious businesses, Automation Anywhere provides enterprise-grade security, including role-based access controls, audit logs, and compliance with industry standards. The Analytics dashboard gives detailed insights into bot performance, efficiency gains, and ROI tracking, making it easy to measure automation impact. With cloud deployment, AI-powered capabilities, and enterprise-level security, Automation Anywhere is one of the best RPA platforms for businesses looking to automate repetitive tasks and scale operations. It's designed for IT teams, finance departments, HR professionals, and customer service teams aiming for digital transformation. If you're looking for a robust, scalable automation tool, check the links in the description to explore Automation Anywhere.